So today we're going to be looking at how you can check your battery health on your MacBook laptop. That's MacBook Air, Pro, whatever MacBook. So all you're going to want to do is go into your system preferences. Once you're here, all you want to do is click battery. When we're at battery, you're going to see all this other stuff like your current battery level, all the screen usage stuff. What you want to do is you just want to go down and click battery, and then down here at the very bottom of this window you can see battery health, and here it's going to tell you about your max battery. On this particular one, the battery condition is normal and the maximum capacity for charging is still 100%. So this will tell you whatever your battery is at and how degraded, because over time batteries do degrade and they get less capacity with more charges and more use. So that's how you understand what your battery health is. So please follow and subscribe.